up on them thingy things. Sitting crooked, they watch me like a Laker game. I caught you looking, cup purple like the Laker game. Extra muddy, with a middle finger up in the air to everybody who judging. If you talking down, you need to kill that shit abruptly. Walk up in this motherfucker like fuck you, double cup me. Listen bro, trust me, it's the dough to make them lust me. They rather be with me because your rusty jewelry is dusty. A two off in this Mountain Dew, leaning off that DJ screw. Boppers, yeah, I keep a few, I'm fresher than the morning news. Prada shades, exclusive view, Italian shoes, I got a slew. If you think I ain't the shit, then bitch you must be sniffing glue. Fuchsia is my favorite hue and codeine is the cause. I change my cars every day like I change my drawers. I swear to God I hate you haters like I hate the laws. Hot boxing with your bro, got kush smoke out my exhaust.
Girl, where you going, who you came with, what's your name is, I know you jock it cause I'm famous, keep the chrome on my waist, bitch, ain't gon' say shit, ride around in my spaceship, man I'm wasted. Where you going, who you came with, what's your name is, I know you jock it cause I'm famous, keep the chrome on my waist, bitch, ain't gon' say shit, ride around in my spaceship, man I'm wasted.
Critics telling me I rap too foul, I throw them off like a Gap Tooth smile. When I drop raw, drop jaws, it's 2013 and I'm coming in with a brand new sound. Who the hell got something to say? How many fake motherfuckers am I crushing today? I'm trying to handle my break, eat up to my stomach to ache and brace when I let my sleeves rub your face. So can we all just get along? Then me I get a little violent, cause niggas be wildin', talking the gang of shit when I ain't looking, but when I see them they stay silent. Why is the world filled with a whole bunch of morons? I'm in the middle feeling trapped like I'm Zordon. I know it's a cold planet, but fuck it, I'm still chillin' with my sandals and shorts on, making a fortune, watching the horse come. Fuck 'em raw, they make 'em get abortions. Here's a line of cocaine, you should snort some. I'm the new rapper brainwashing your son. I'm just trying to make everything more fun. See, I do this strictly out of boredom, so I guess I'm like every other rapper, niggas some bullshit just so you can buy it and give me more fun. Fuck those niggas, I'm much more iller. Every couple of seconds my nuts grow bigger. When I get spotted by women, they get the itching and wanna hop on their Twitter so they can upload pictures. They're usually willing to give it up, go figure. I got a girlfriend, so I just go give a fuck. Hop into your car and blast it for the bars of madness, cause I'm far from marriage, I'm famous, bitch.
Where you going, who you came with, what's your name is, I know you jock it cause I'm famous, keep the chrome on my waist, bitch, ain't gon' say shit, ride around in my spaceship, man I'm wasted. Where you going, who you came with, what's your name is, I know you jock it cause I'm famous, keep the chrome on my waist, bitch, ain't gon' say shit, ride around in my spaceship, man I'm wasted.
They done let that killer out the cage, give me the keys, Forrest. Catfish Billy got a pump shotgun, chairs for the that Norris truck. Cowboy boot kick, motherfuckers took the floor because I'm bored as fuck. Cause to crush, cans to crack, doors to rush, jam packed. Try to work hard, more to look than lucky. Lucky's lucky to know me, buddy I'm an alcoholic and a workaholic. I'm a work of art that's paint on the canvas, also burnt with a DuPont bucket full of mousy green. Damn it, camouflage on the beat, I done lost my team, I'm hard to manage. Let me put it to you simple, I own this fucking house, I'm a pioneer. Look, these are just my clones that are popping out. I must've been abducted when I was in Alabama. Me and Swamp Fox, I swear I saw it. Changing channels, looking for Dukes of Hazzard between Rap City and Dixie Flags. I don't know if I'm fishing, hunting, or putting tags on bass and bucks mounted around in the fucking masses into a lake so they can take a public bath in subjects that I intertwine the lines with, such as that get double bagged by MCs, haters, they took a laugh and choke. It's such a gas to me, I fill up my Chevy with critic quotes, so suck on that until it's dope. I'm popping, it's bubble wrap, folks. It ain't been this ugly since that single that Bubba had. Nope.
Where you going, who you came